Alright, this is round 13. LeetCode, under an hour. Let's get started. Alright. Code then enhances all arrays such that you can call a snail, rows count, calls count method that transforms a 1D array into a 2D array organized in the pattern known as snail traversal order. Okay, organize an array. Invalid input value should output an empty array. Sure. If rows times columns count not equal to num length, input is considered invalid. Oh, Javascript. That's very sad. Well, let's count. See how much I. Nums.length. Okay. What is nums? I don't see that, but we'll see. Snail traversal order starts at the top left cell with the first value of the current array. Okay. Let's start at 19. Then moves through the entire first column from top to bottom. 10, 3, 7, 9. Until the entire current array is covered. For example, when given this output with rows count 5, calls count 4, desired output matrix is shown below. So we do column count. So we do the row count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, for 4s. Okay, sure. And then we return an array of that. That seems pretty easy. Okay. Alright, seems self-explanatory. Otherwise, we're going to just return oh wait, I don't know. I gotta remember I'm doing JavaScript. For I 0, I is less than rows count, no, calls count. I want the outer loop to be columns, and then the inner loop will be the number of rows. For plus for, just copy this. Go. I do let row, or I should just say call, is equal to this. Call dot and is append. Oof, my unfamiliarity with JavaScript is really showing. Don't remember, but that's not really important. We'll just call dot append whatever nums is, nums 0, nums dot pop 0. Traversal grid is equal to traversal grid append call. And then we just return versal grid. That's the entire code. Now I've got to look up some JavaScript terminology real quick. It's been a while. Right. Stop push, not append. Is it pop? That would make sense. Let's do a Googling. I don't know if pop takes a number. I know pop exists. Post Googling. It does not receive an index argument, so I can probably just do, instead of doing pop, I just do num is equal to right? Is that a thing? JavaScript? I think it is. I'm just gonna use nums.slice. Should be right. Is it in place? No, it's not. So that should be good. And then traversal grid dot push column should be good. Oh, nums is not defined. Right. Let's see, parameter. Oh, I gotta change this too. Oh, I see. Is it self or this? I think self is Python should be this dot length. This. Do I see num anywhere? That should be fine. Theoretically. Invalid left-hand side argument. Oh, you can't assign this. Oh, I see. Okay, so then I can just use a counter. Didn't want to do this because I'm a little lazy, but I can just do instead, it would be calls count times I. plus j. Yep. Because, yeah, I think that's the correct expression. I meant to do this. Those parentheses does not really matter, but just for clarity's sake. Should work. Interesting. 1917. Interesting. Let's print out the indexes. Could be 0 times 0 times 0, 0 plus 0, 0. Then 1, 2. Right, it's 9, 10. Oh, you don't want to return 9, 17. Oh, I see. So, okay, so you have to jump back and forth. So you'd 19, 17 because oh, that's interesting. Okay, so you do, it's a bit of an operation to this, but essentially you'd add plus 2 times row count each time, and then when you hit the 4th time, or the column count time, then you restart, but just plus 1, essentially. It's a little annoying. It's quite annoying. I want to try to figure out a cleaner way to do this. It's plus 10, plus 1, plus 10. That's so annoying. That's so unbelievably annoying. It's easier to just make the 5 lists and then append to them one by one. So we're going to say let for, change this up a little bit. Traversal grid, and then this is the number of rows. So there you go. Okay, so for the number of rows, we're just gonna add a empty array. Let call to this traversal. There you go. So now we have a list of empty arrays, and then now we do the whole thing where we just loop through. We don't need this anymore. We don't need this anymore. I'm too used to Python, unfortunately. Okay. Okay, so right here, we just gotta say we just added to traversal grid. So traversal grid dot push, and I is the column count, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. The row count. So ij, right? This I j. Oh wait, it's so this is how we get the next value. we're going through this, what I want to do is I want to iterate in this weird fashion, essentially. So then I can just keep taking the next. Which means I can add some weird logic here to check for even or odd columns. If I mod 2 is equal to 0, else so this will be for these rows, right? We stick with the normal ij, so this value essentially traversal grid I dot push next value, right? So for 19, it'll add it to column 0 or row 0. Then it'll add it to, wait, this should be rows count then, right? Yeah, should. So add it to row 0, add it to row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. So 9 will go here, and then it'll go to 8, and then I'll go to this one, and then it'll be like, oh, okay. So I still access the same value. But I just put it in the something minus I, which is a rows or column. So this would be, which list? This would be, well, I'm accessing 8. So instead of putting it in 0, which I is currently, I want this length minus I, which is row count. Rows and you push that in, blah blah. Should be about it. Let's see what happens. Interesting. Okay. Oh, that's weird. Why does this pass? Oh, because it's a basic case. So it seems like I'm not accessing everything correctly. Oh, no. Okay, so let's slowly look through this. Rows count, JJ, column count. So console.log. I think yeah, pretty sure this is how you do it in JavaScript. I love F strings, so much help. This would be what? It's IJ. This is going to be nums index. This. And let's run it and see. Nums index 1. We want it to go to 0, 1. No, we want it to go to 1, 0. I see. So, oh, it should be traversal J dot push. Right. So you put it first at this guy. You put it at column 1. Oh. So it is the rows count? Wait, let's try to figure this out before I change anything. Traversal grid. J refers to J is, in my example, okay, forget about what's written in the example. What do I need? I need to push things onto the inner iteration should be this, so 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step. Outer iteration should be this, 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. So this inner iteration is obviously the number of rows. I wonder why I switched it. I'll go back and check the video, but it seemed like a really dumb idea to switch. Everything else the same. The outer iteration is just the length, which doesn't really matter. Except I guess is this need to be changed as well? So yes, it should. It should still be the rows count, but I just changed where the rows count was. Or whether it was J or I, which is fine. I think this should be correct. What line? 62? Oh. Why? Let's see. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Num's index is 4 still. Wait, that's not right. So num's index is 0, 0. I would draw this out. I think it's just it's just careless coding at this point. It's just, how do I make sure that I'm adding at the right place? All these J's and I's are just confusing me. Traversal grid J. So this would be 0, 0. Would be 19, num index 0, which is fine. This would be 1, 0. Which means J would be 1. Because, alright, let's change this a little bit. Does that make sense? Right, J being the first number is this, which is the rows. And then I being the second number is the columns. Wait, what? Oh yeah, I just didn't change this to column count. Does explain why. Oh, I guess that does explain why it failed. Guys, it doesn't. Controllers go to 0, 0 would be num index 0. Sure. 1, 0 is 10. Yeah. 2, 0 is 3. That works. 3 0 0 1 2 3 7. I don't want to do this whole referencing thing next time. X4 would be 4 0, and then we're going to 0 1 now, and we're accessing num index 4 again. Why? Shouldn't it be the next one? It's even. So it's not even anymore. We go here. We go rows count, which is what? 5. 5 minus j is 0. Oh, 5. It should be -1, right? Yep. Because 5 minus 0 would be 5. And it's going to iterate up to 4. Yep. -1. Alright, let's just add a j plus 1. Let's see here. So 19, 10, 3, 7, 4, or 9, 8, 5. Oh, wait. 9, 1, 1. That's not right. 8. There's two main problems, right? For some reason, the 9 duplicates. And for some reason, the reverse iteration is not working. Or it is working, I just didn't log it right. Okay, why does the 9 duplicate is my biggest question right now. Output is... I don't know what's happening with the output. Let's see here. I haven't really changed anything, so the output should stay the same. Yeah, so 19. Where did this 1 come from? Zero, 1, 2, 3. Should be 11. That's very interesting. 19, 10, 3, 7, 9. 19, 10, 3, 7, 9 is fine. 17. Oh, that's expected. 19, 10, 3, 7, 9. That's fine. And then it should go 8 here instead of 9 again. But it skips, adds extra 9, and then it goes 8, 5, 2, 1. And then, yeah, so this extra 9 is the problem, and I don't know why. Let's see here. So it'd be 0. So this goes to 0, 1, 2, 3. Wait. I is 0, so it would just be J. I know everyone hates logging, but it is helpful. All right. So it accesses this becomes 0, which is fine. 19. 1, 2, 3, 4. How does 4 again? I see why. Okay, because 0 times the count plus 4 is the same as 4 times plus 0. So it should happen again at the next change, which should be right here. 2 and all right, 4, 3, 2, 1, right? So 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, and 2, 0 should be the same value. Yes, they are. Okay. That's not crazy bad. I could just keep a separate count instead of this IJ nonsense. I think that's just simpler for my head. That, and then right here, we just say this index plus equals 1. Wonderful. There we go. And let's submit. Finally, that was very annoying, but done and done. 32 minutes.